system. If we call it central, it's located in the center of the body. What located in the center of the body? Brain and spinal cord. So, central nervous system is brain and its spinal cord. What is the peripheral nervous system? Peripheral nervous system is everything except central. What does it mean? It means nerve radix, nerves, nerve ganglions, that is the ganglions, some nerve plexus, nerve fibers. Everything is, yes, everything is peripheral except the central one. So, nerve fibers, nerve radix, nerve ganglions, nervous, nerve plexus, and nerve ends. Everything is peripheral nervous system. Actually, those peripheral nervous system which connect with spinal cord, it's called spinal peripheral nervous system. If some nerves, plexuses, ganglions connect with the brain, we call it cranial peripheral nervous system. But is not central one, it's peripheral one. But also we had functional division. Functional division is division on somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system. What is innervate? It's innervate skeleton. It's innervate muscles. It's innervate skin. It's innervate joints. That is somatic nervous system. What's innervate autonomic? Autonomic one, innervate internal organs. Also, it's innervate glands. And also, it's innervate vessels. So, that is autonomic nervous system. You know, somatic and autonomic nervous system, it's closely related. Because, for example, in muscle, inside of muscle, we also had vessels, which innervated by the autonomic. In the skin, we also had glands. We had muscles which erect the pile, for example. It's also autonomic. So they always connect closely. Also, autonomic nervous system subdivides to the sympathetic nervous system and, yes, parasympathetic nervous system. Actually, we had another one, and it's called metasympathetic nervous system. Metasympathetic nervous system. Other name of that system is enteral nervous system or enteric nervous system. It's located in the intestinal tract. Other type of nervous system. We will talk about later when we will start to learn with you autonomic nervous system. Right now, we start to learn with you first part, a central nervous system. And first organ which we'll learn today is spinal cord. Spinal cord or medulla spinalis is the first part of central nervous system. Medulla spinalis. It's located in the vertebral canal. Do you remember? It's located in the vertebral canal, and it begins from the level of foramen magnum, but some also talk that it started from the level of superior margin of the arch of atlases. So, superior margin, the arch of atlases, or foramen magnum. Also, we can think that, and we can see the beginning of spinal cord is placed or level where from spinal cord start acting first spinal radix. So when you found that we had spinal radix, so that is the beginning of spinal cord. So the end of spinal cord is level of L2. Actually, here we also had variation. Male, female, and sometimes it can rate from the L1 till the L3. But usually we talk L2. The length of the spinal cord approximately 42 centimeter. The diameter, the widest part of the spinal cord is just 1.2 centimeter. The weight of spinal cord is approximately 35 grams.
What is the length?
Length. I said 42
centimeter.
The length approximately 42 centimeter, wideness approximately 1.2 centimeter, and weight is approximately 35 grams. Stop the recorder, please. Who's the duty today? Did they give for our group this? And you can see the beginning of spinal cord is foramen magnum or exit of first spinal radixes. Usually, during the 4th month of postnatal embryogenesis, 4th month, the spinal cord located fully in vertebral column. After 4 months, the caudal cranial part tightly fixed with vertebral column, and it's almost immovable. But the distal or caudal part, due to the fastly growth of the vertebral column, grows not so fastly, and we have different lengths between length of the spinal cord and length of the vertebral column. If first spinal nerve, and firstly it's located almost perpendicularly from all vertebral column, then after 4th month, the thoracic part, the spinal nerves has descending direction or oblique one. Then in the lower part, it's already located vertically. I talk about the radix. So the end of spinal cord is level of L2. That numbers you should know beginning and end of spinal cord. The spinal cord has segmental structure. What is it? Segment of spinal cord. Segment of spinal cord is part of the spinal cord which contain 4 spinal radix or 2 spinal nerve and locate in horizontal axis. So segment of spinal cord contain 4 spinal radix, 2 of them motor, 2 of them sensory, or 4 spinal nerves. Can you tell me how many segments join in that picture? How many segments join here? One.
8.
8
Guys, do
segments.
you understand what is its segment? Segment, it's part of spinal cord, horizontal part, which contain two motor radix, sensory radix, or pair of spinal nerves. That is one segment. This one is one segment. How many segments join here?
Two segments.
Two segments. Because we had 8 radix and 4 nerves. One segment is just this horizontal part of spinal cord. Clear?
Clear.
Totally in spinal cord, totally. One segment. 31 segment in spinal cord. This number is memorized. So in spinal cord we had cervical segment, we had thoracic segment, lumbar, sacral, and coccygeal. Cervical segment from first
Till 7.
till 8.
8.
Do you know why 8, not 7? Because first spinal nerves will come out between atlas and foramen magnum, above it. So first nerve exit above the vertebral column, between column and cranium. That's why 8 segment. Thoracic. Come on, thoracic vertebra. How many vertebrae in thorax? 12. No, 12. Come on, 12. Thoracic segment. 5. Lumbar. How many sacral? 5. And already 8 plus 12. 20 plus 5, 25 plus 5, 30. Totally 31. So in coccyx,
4.
1. Just one segment. Clear? So we had 8 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 5 sacral, and 1 coccygeal segments. Is very important. The segments of 10 lower segments form specific structure which called equine cauda or horse tail, translated on the Latin equine cauda, cauda equina. Look. Cauda equina. What is it? It's radix of lower 10 segment. Radix. How many radix in lower 10 segment? One segment. How many radix? 4
radix.
If lower 10 segment, it means 40 radix.
And 20 nerves.
20 nerves. Lower segment, it means from L4, all sacral, and 1 coccygeal. 4 lumbar, plus 5 sacral, 9, and plus coccygeal, 10. Radix of lower 10 segment forms the equine cauda. Stop to record.